G'day, Alex. Just like to give some feedback on the course I was on last week with you guys at the QVB. Great to meet everybody. I've been working on and off with Amazon for the last 4 or 5 years, and I haven't had a lot of success. But what I found from the conference that we did was that getting a good supplier is the key to having a successful business. Now, I've been running my business for about 9 years now, and did some work on Amazon initially and didn't have a lot of success. I didn't have the network of people in the background to help me be successful. I've been running my business with retailers and wholesalers in Australia and New Zealand, and I did try Amazon in the States a few years ago with not a lot of success. I didn't have the mentor to help me like you guys are helping me at the moment. So I think that the most important thing I found is finding a good supplier, having a good product, and getting a product that does sell. I've been doing it for a few years now, but haven't given the Amazon, or tried to go with Amazon and get my product working on Amazon, but it just didn't work out for me. But knowing that there is a support chain of people that can help. So I think meeting and greeting your supplier was another thing I did. I went over to China and met my supplier of the category that we're selling, and found that it was important that knowing that their product will be quality and would sell. So and the stuff I learned from the conference is keywords, good quality photos, bundling your product, and building a business over the next 18 months to potentially sell one day is another great thing that I learned from the course. So look, again, thanks Alex, thanks to your team. I look forward to doing more work in the near future. Cheers.